I'm Richard Lytle. I thought it would be nice to put a face with my name. Divorce is a difficult experience for anyone to go through and is an extremely emotional event. One of the most important aspects of a divorce that must be considered is what to do with your assets, especially the house. Unfortunately, costly mistakes are made when decisions regarding the house are based on emotions and not on finances. You must also realize that timing is critical, as many factors must be decided before the divorce is final. This is where my services may help you save thousands of dollars. As a certified mortgage plan specialist, I understand the legal and tax issues of the divorce process to better serve divorcing clients. I'm dedicated to assisting your attorney, you, and your family through a very difficult time in your lives, helping you become fully informed of your financial standing today so that you can plan for a stronger financial tomorrow. Let's think about the thousands upon thousands of dollars you may lose if equitable solutions are not found. Most people may say, let's just split everything 50-50. Sounds very fair, but what about tax consequences and other hidden items that will cost you not only money, but even more mental anguish? Let me close by saying this: you will survive this event. It won't feel like it at times, but you will. As a certified mortgage plan specialist, I just don't focus on rates. I dig a little bit deeper. I focus on the plan that will position you and your family in a better financial position. Going through a divorce is not easy, and that's why you need a team of dedicated advisors to help guide you through this difficult process. Again, my name is Richard Lytle, and if I can help you, please give me a call.